to unlock your suspended Microsoft account. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's begin. When you try to sign in, you will see a message stating your account is suspended. You can easily click on the provided support link or visit aka.ms/compliance-log. So as you can see that first of all you need to understand the issue. So your account will be temporarily suspended due to malware, phishing, and other harmful activities. Sending intentionally unwanted or harmful code or software, stealing private information from others by tricking or spoofing them into providing it, interfering with harming or spoofing Microsoft network services or other systems. Spam takes many forms. You don't use Microsoft Network to send, share, or publish unwanted mails, comments, messages, photos, reviews, or any other content. So, in order to unlock your suspended Microsoft account, don't send unsolicited promotional or commercial content. Don't send content to people you don't know or to many people at the same time. Don't use programs, script, or bots to create Microsoft accounts, and don't use or spoof or reuse informations across multiple accounts when signing up. And you don't create or use multiple accounts to violate Microsoft policies. So by following this step, you can easily unsuspend your Microsoft account. Also, what you can do is you need to verify your account first of all, and once logged in, you can easily go to your account setting at top right corner and change your password. This ensures that your account stays protected if it was accessed for another location. And that's it. I hope this guide worked, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe.